Hello everyone, this is Christy from Faithful Designs by Christy. I was invited by LOKLiK to the CES and I'm very excited because they're going to share with us what they have new for the 2024 and you will be the first one to see it. Are you excited too? Come with me. I attended the Consumer Electronics Show at Las Vegas, Nevada, and here is the LOKLiK booth. And for your information, HTVRONT and LOKLiK are the brands of the CU Technology Company. And here is a new machine that it's going to be released by the end of the year. Is the LOKLiK Impress Auto 2. This one is similar to the LOKLiK Impress Auto Heat Press, but this one is different because it will have a touch screen and it will have a flexible pressure adjustment, and you can regulate the pressure settings, the heat, and the time. And it will have various materials presets, and its base is conveniently spacious. And here is the LOKLiK Impress Auto. And this one has a base of 15 by 15 inches, and you can control the temperature and time, and it has an auto shut off. And look at these beautiful designs that you can make to decorate your wall. And here is the LOKLiK Impress Mini in pink, and this one is a portable heat press that is very useful. And here is the LOKLiK Crafter. This is a cutting machine that cuts, draws, and keys cut to make stickers. And here are some ideas of what you can make using the LOKLiK Crafter and the heat presses. These are beautiful. Now I'm going to show you a new machine, and this one is going to be released on February. It's the LOKLiK Impress Hat. Here is the machine and the base, and as you can see, it has the arch for the hats, and it comes with a lid cover, which is this one, and you can store your press like this. Very nice. And if you want to press your hat, you use that as a base. Place the ironing mat and the hat, and then easily you can heat press your designs. And here is the LOKLiK Impress Easy and the LOKLiK Impress Auto Tumbler. And here are some samples of the tumblers, cups, and mugs that you can heat press. And here are the materials for DIY projects. And as you can see, they have different kinds and colors of heat transfer vinyls, adhesive vinyls, and also sublimation paper, printable vinyl, and a lot more for using with the machines. And even cardstock if you want to cut with the LOKLiK Crafter. They have the weeding tools and much more. We also have some questions and answers to share regarding the machines, and that's why your comments are so valuable. So if you want to leave us a question or just make a comment about these LOKLiK machines or HTVRONT, please use the comment section below. I had an amazing experience coming to visit the LOKLiK booth. Thank you, Jane and Alan, for all your help. And thank you very much for the gift. I loved it. Look, it fits perfectly. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.